Breaking news. Guatemala's Fuego volcano has erupted violently, killing 6 and injuring 20 people. Today, June 3rd. Volcano southwest of Guatemala's capital has erupted for the second time this year. It set off loud explosions and spewed ash nearly 4 miles into the sky. At least 6 people were killed, another 20 injured Sunday when Guatemala's Fuego volcano violently erupted, spewing a stream of red-hot lava and belching a thick plume of black smoke and ash high into the sky. Quote, "It's a river of lava that overflowed its banks and affected the rodeo village. There are injured, burned, and dead people," end quote. This is what Sergio Cabanas, the General Secretary of Guatemala's Conrad Disaster Agency, said on the radio, and he added, "We are evacuating and rescuing people and have reported reports of 20 wounded, 6 dead, and disappeared." The eruption forced the Guatemala city's La Aurora International Airport, of course, to shut down its only runway. The runway was closed due to the presence of volcanic ash in order to guarantee passengers and aircraft security and safety. Guatemala Civil Aviation Authority made a statement concerning this. The active volcano is located some 25 miles southwest of capital Guatemala City. It's close to the colonial city of Antigua, popular with tourists, as we know. Workers and guests were evacuated from La Reunion Golf Club near Antigua. A video on social media shows a black cloud of ash rising from just beyond the golf club. The lava was running down the other side of the volcano. Huge plumes of ash could be seen from various parts of the country, and the ash that rained down in 4 of Guatemala's departments, causing some alarm to residents. The officials in charge of security are, of course, requesting that people remain calm. Volcán de Fuego, volcano of fire, is an active stratovolcano in Guatemala, bordering Chimaltenango, Escuintla, and Zacatepeques departments. It's about 16 kilometers west of Antigua, Guatemala, one of the most famous cities for tourist destinations there. It's famous for being almost constantly active at a low-level volcano. Small gas and ash eruptions occur every whopping 15 to 20 minutes, but larger eruptions are rare. On August 9th, 2007, Fuego erupted, spewing lava, rock, and ash, as we said in 2007. Guatemala's Volcanology Service reports that 7 families were evacuated from their homes near the volcano. It's joined with Acetenago, and collectively the complex is known as La Horqueta. A new round of activity began May 19th, 2012, with lava flows and ejections of ash, and it has continued into January of 2016. The notable eruptions going back to 1581, 1586, 1623, 1705, 1710, 1717, strong eruptions right before the San Miguel earthquake, 1732, 1737, you see almost every 5 years or so. Then around 1800, not have any catastrophic consequences, though it lasted for several days, heated up nearby streams to the point that beasts would not dare to cross it. The stream was so hot that the animal could not cross the stream. 1880, 1932, strong eruption that covered Antigua, Guatemala in ash. 1974, strong eruption that caused heavy agricultural loss, pyroclastic flows destroying all vegetation in the surroundings of the active cone. July 2004, small eruption preceded by internal explosions. 13th of September 2012, the volcano began ejecting lava and ash, prompting officials to begin a massive evacuation of thousands of people in 5 communities. More specifically, the evacuees, roughly 33,000 people, left nearly 17 villages near the volcano. It ejected lava and pyroclastic flows around 600 meters, that's 2,000 feet down the slope of the volcano. February 2015, another eruption resulted in 100 nearby residents being evacuated and the closure of La Aurora International Airport because of the falling ash. And then again today, June 3rd, 2018, the eruption resulted in 7 deaths here, it says, and at least 300 injuries, residents being evacuated, and the closure of La Aurora International Airport. And we'll keep you updated as more information comes in on this.